In this video, we're going to look at how you can install WP Fusion in your WordPress site and then connect it to Platformly. So the first thing you do is you get an account at wpfusion.com. Once you have it, you'll get a download that you can download, and then you're going to want to go to Add New Plugin and Upload, and we're going to install it now. Okay, and then you'll just click Activate Plugin once it's successfully installed. Okay, and once you've done that, you're going to go to the WP Fusion settings page. And in here, it's going to ask you for your license key and also to select your CRM. So from here, the CRM you're going to select is Platformly. So you're just going to click the drop down and then scroll down until you see platform.ly. Okay. And then what we need is we're going to, well, let's first activate our license. That's now done. Now we need to get our Platformly API key. So you can get that from inside your Platformly account under Docs and API keys. You'll just create a new one. And I always call it the name of the service I'm going to use. So I'm going to call it WP Fusion. I'll do that right now. And now that we have it, we just paste it in and test connection as well. Okay, and now it's doing its job. And it says complete. So obviously I'm going to delete this key afterwards. But there we go. Congratulations, you've successfully established a connection to Platformly and your tags and custom fields have been imported. So now we're going to save this and we're all set up with WP Fusion, and now you're good to go and using WP Fusion to sync your leads.